2 hours. Get this, GCU is just advising students to just stay where they are. The news is saying it's the biggest storm in years.
I can't blame them for advising that. It looks like a freaking hurricane outside.
Do you think the other study group members are going to be all right?
I'm not worried about Ariday. She's from Seattle. But the other two dweebs, I'm a little worried about.
Ariday, you all right?
I'm fine. It's just a little crazy out there right now.
Yeah, it looks like a hurricane out there.
I just said that.
You didn't hear it.
So, the intramural field looks like a lake. All of the parking garages are completely flooded to the top floor. I just saved, I don't know how many feral cats. Everything is on fire, and there's no internet.
What?
That I know.
Oh, 3G will do.
Did you see Barry on their way here?
No, I didn't. But he was coming from the Cass building, so maybe that's why he was late.
You guys would not believe how crazy it is out there.
Harry, are you all right? Is that a kayak paddle?
You bet your boots it's a kayak paddle. Kayak is the only way we can get around anymore.
Okay, I was just outside. You could walk around totally fine.
Maybe you could, Seattler. Well, anyway, I had the most harrowing journey to get here. I've seen some terrible things.
Such as?
Think about the last scene from the movie Jumanji, but more crocodiles.
Okay, he's exaggerating now.
Says you, I almost got knocked over by the weight from Brian Muir's speedboat.
We're just really glad that you're okay then, Barry.
Speak for yourself, this is Slade.
Hey, did you happen to see Ryan on your way over here?
No, but I think he's coming from Plus Science, so hopefully he's okay.
Guys, it's you! I have had the most harrowing experience of my young adult life.
Really?
Did you just cross the intramural field?
Oh, I didn't just cross it. I fought in it.
What do you mean fought? You used that as a weapon?
We had to improvise. It was amazing out there, guys. They formed system of governments, social hierarchies, fish and man working in perfect unison to create utopia. Oh, you should have seen the parties they threw.
It has been raining for less than 4 hours.
But then, there was the rebellion. A group of low-class cuttlefish, dissatisfied with the social status of the bourgeoisie. They attacked several government buildings and monuments. Not a single Discover student made it out alive.
I think it's pretty obvious that someone has gone insane.
You weren't there!
Is that Daniel Holland?
Daniel?
Daniel?
We must act quickly.
Wait, what? Why are you dressed in a bed sheet?
Oh, I don't know, because all of my clothes are flooded.
Idiots!
Anyway, this building has become much too unstable.
It makes sense, it was built in like a week.
We have shelter in the Antelope Reception Center, so...
Dude, no one calls it that. Just call it the Ark.
Whatever, we have shelter in the Ark.